important information about safety on board. If a critical situation arises, you will hear a consist of 7 short and 1 long